welcome back to In Heather's Kitchen. Now I am so excited for today's recipe, and I'm pretty sure that all my dessert lovers worldwide are going to be too. I'm that type of person that can eat. When I mean eat a lot. Eat so much that I get full that I can't move type of eat. But no matter how full I get, I always have space for dessert. I've been told that it's like I have an extra tummy just for my dessert. And this is why I was so happy. No, I wasn't happy. I was ecstatic when I came across this new way of making cakes. It takes 4 minutes to make the cake and all you need is a microwave. I was just mind blown. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a chocolate mug cake. I hope you try it, and if you do, comment below, tell me how it tasted, comment below and tell me how it was the perfect dish to make when you came home and you were super stressed and in under 4 minutes you had a lovely chocolatey cake in your mouth. Now thank you so much for watching, guys. Also don't forget to check out my blog enheatherskitchen.com for this recipe and many more. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.